Hello everyone, my name is Asaf Yosef Cohen and I'm the founder and the manager of Incrediwood. Deylina, today we're gonna demonstrate the application of the Deylina on this coat hanger. Deylina, probably the very best hard wax on this planet today. 100% food safe, non-toxic, contains no harmful VOCs. But the main property of this product is that it's the core of this wax is this polymer we discovered in the research after I graduated my PhD. All the ingredients of this wax are 100% natural. I don't need to wear gloves or any mask, nothing. It's completely safe to use it. But the durability, the bottom line durability this thing provides you is top one. After it will polymerize, it will be, hot coffee resistant, turpentine resistant, Coca-Cola resistant. What we're going to do now is open the jar up and start applying it. I'll be applying the Deylina using a non-woven pad. I will need to hear that when I open the jar, I can hear this pop sound that will tell me that it has been vacuum sealed in the factory, okay? So let's start off now. Opening it up. Vacuum sealed, okay? So this is how the Deylina looks like when you open it up. It's stiffy, okay? It's not creamy or soft, but the minute you start working on it using the pad, you'll see that it flows with you. It's very gentle and easy to work with. It will flow with you and give you no challenges in terms of applying it. What we're gonna apply it on today is this coat hanger. This piece is comprised of oak, cherry, and walnut. So let's go ahead and apply the Deylina on this coat hanger. It comes off very, very easy. We're starting by applying it on the wood in circle motions, just to make sure it meets the grains in every possible direction. You can see that it pops up the beauty of the wood. And afterwards, we work along the grain. And ultimately, we'll not only seal it, but also, provide you with very, very beautiful and durable finish. All that without being toxic or challenging in any way. Hello everyone, so we're back. Now on this part we're going to remove any Deylina excess from this coat hanger. We're going to use a bath towel for this mission. I won't be using any other type of cloth or rag. The bath towel is the proper and right cloth to remove the excess of the Deylina. So the initial movements, the first back and forth motions will be harder. But the minute I remove the bulk volume of the residue, it becomes a lot smoother and easier. And all I need to do afterwards is make sure that I'm left with no leftovers, no residue, no excess. It needs to be completely dry. And you can see the wood that now has a very unified appearance. And all I need to do is make sure that the surface area after using the towel is dry, 100% dry. Okay, so off camera I'm gonna finish the back side, but that's the way it's gonna look like. In general, when we're talking about Deylina, 97, 98% of the cases, I will need only one coat. But sometimes, just to make sure, I will use a second. I will apply a second coat just to make sure that the upper microns of the wood are sealed, to make sure that no coffee spillage will interact with the wood itself and leave any mark on the wood. In this case, it's a coat hanger. I don't expect any special challenges. One coat is enough. Again, if it was a dining table made of solid wood without any end grain around, probably one coat would also do the work. But I would apply a second coat in cases I would like to make sure to verify, the whole surface area is sealed. That's about it, guys, for the meantime. Thank you very much for joining us. Have a good day.